guys, what's up? It's Charli Elise. Welcome to or back to my channel. I can't stop laughing because POV, right? My mom was in here because, I don't know, she's my mother, and she was like, you should start your video like this. Because this is a size large. Hey. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, what's up? It's Charli Elise. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 5 favorite hairstyles. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go. Okay, the first hairstyle, pretty basic, but we're still gonna do it because it's one of my favorites, and it is the classic low pony. So I just kind of let my hair part naturally, and then I keep it over my ears. I don't know, I feel like it kind of looks better. And then I tie it with a hair tie and pull it so it's tight. And then this is the most important part, because before I looked like an egg, or maybe I still do, but at least now I'm an egg with wispies, you know? So this is the first look. I like it. I wear it at least sometime during the day. And here's the next one. Next hairstyle I'm going to do is the messy bun. I start by flipping my hair over, and I do like a super high ponytail position. I don't tie it off in a ponytail, but I do it like right on top of my head so it stays. And then I pull my hair just until the ends are about to go through, and then I twist the hair tie. It's okay if some of the hair falls through, and then I do another half loop, and then I floof it out. I don't know if floof is a word. Should be. Kind of looks crazy now, so you just kind of have to keep making it messy until it looks good, which sounds very strange, but it's so true. I just lift it, then I pull the croissant looking thing through again, and I just flop. And you can decide if you like it tight, you don't have to pull it loose, or if you want to, you can make it crazy like mine. It's very fun, very casual, very chill. Okay, on to the next one. This next one is super trendy. It's the mini half pigtails. So I start by parting my hair down the middle, and I use the back of my makeup brush. It's like perfect, I don't know. It just parts my hair nicely, so. And then separate. And once it is split down the middle, I'm going to take a section almost from the arch of my eyebrow and then back to where my part ends. I grab a hair tie and then I pull it through. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. This is the next look. I love this one personally because it keeps enough of your hair out of your face, but it still has like the majority of it down, so it's really cute. I love this one. And if you wanted to, you could turn them into space buns, but we're not gonna do that today. For the next hairstyle, I'm gonna show you guys how to do Dutch braids. First, I'm gonna separate my hair in half again, right down the back. Just to make it easier on me, I'm going to separate off one side and just do like a low pigtail just so it doesn't cross over. These are actually not that hard, so they might look intimidating, but with practice, anyone can do them. So you grab a little section at the front, as big or as little as you want. The bigger you make it, the faster you'll be finished, but the smaller you make it, the more fancy it'll look. And I'm gonna separate that into 3 sections. Stay with me. It's not too bad, I promise. I'm gonna take the middle section over the front, and then the middle section over the back. And then I'm going to take the middle section over the front again, except I'm going to grab a little bit of hair with the front section before I take the middle section over it. So the pattern is middle over front, middle over back. Add hair, middle over front, add hair, middle over back. Does that make sense? I hope so. Take the middle over the top, add hair on the bottom, take the middle over the bottom. Add hair on the top, take the middle over the top. And then we just do that all the way down. I got really, really fast at doing these braids because when I rode horses competitively, you had to wear your hair in either like French or Dutch braids or in a hairnet, but I would always do Dutch braids, and then the other girls who rode horses at the same stables as me would be like, can you do my braids? So I think my record was like doing someone's hair in 3 minutes. So I just got really fast at doing it, which comes in handy because now I'll just be in the car and like going crazy and just braiding as fast as I can. But once you practice, it gets easier. So then I'm going to tie that off with a hair tie. You already know. We always do this. Ooh yeah, get it? Now onto the other side, and I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. And this is the finished look. I am obsessed with this hairstyle. I think it is so cute. And if you're gonna have these in all day, don't do this next step because it'll get messy. But if you just want it to look cute and fluffy for like a couple of hours, this is good. I just loosen it up a little bit. I feel like it makes your hair just look a little bit fuller. But if you do this and then leave them in all day, they kind of get a little bit messy, but I definitely do it sometimes. So it's not the end of the world, but if you want them to stay looking super neat, don't do this step because it'll naturally sort of get messy through the day. Okay, on to the next one. Also, if you sleep in these, you will wake up with really, really pretty beach waves. Fun fact. Okay, for this one, I am going to separate it down the middle again. These are bubble braids, which are very trendy and they are super cute. I'm going to start by doing low pigtails on each side. Now I'm going to add another ponytail every 2 inches or so. You can kind of estimate how big you want your bubbles to be, but if you want them to be smaller, just add the hair ties closer together, and if you want them to be bigger, just add them further apart. Uh-oh. Stay. And then when you're doing the next side, you're just going to want to make sure that it lines up evenly with the other ones. And it's better to tie it too high because you can move them down later, but you can't really move them up as easily. And this is when they become bubbles. So you just floof it up and pull them until they're even. And then we're gonna take the wispies out, and this is the finished hairstyle. I think this one is super duper cute. It's very fun, I like it. It's also super trendy and aesthetic, so we love that. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!